My favorite way to remove wrinkles is through the use of the tool called Healing Brush. You find it here in your toolbar in Photoshop. By default it comes set as mode normal, and also by default it has this current layer selected. Now I'm going to make two changes, because if I use the normal mode you will see that it will really override the wrinkle and the face will look quite strange. We will have to change the mode to screen, and screen allows you to override the wrinkles with the selected sample, but it will not be as strong as normal. You will still see the wrinkle, but it will not completely overwrite it. So it will look more natural, because the face is not completely changed. Notice that before I start using the healing brush, I hold down alternate on the keyboard to select a part of the face nearby the wrinkle, so that I can paint onto it. And you will see there are two markers here. One is a cross and one is a circle. The cross is the area that I've selected, and the circle is the area that I'm patching on. Also, the other thing that I recommend to do is to go on top here where it says Align Sample, and I recommend to use all layers. And before you start with the healing brush, I recommend to make a new layer on top, and then you can option click and start painting onto the wrinkle. You notice that the effect is slightly different in terms of outlook when you are painting, but when you let your mouse go, the result is exactly the same. The big advantage is that now you're using a separate layer, and in case you've done something wrong, you can later on remove it. So this is the layer that I'm actually painting. So you can carry on with the rest of the retouch. You will not spoil the original picture underneath, and you can carry on removing whatever you want. Later on, if you want to see before and after, just hide the layer 1. Before and after. This is the layer 1. Before and after.